You know you're not late for Hey. Oh.
Guys, it's Friday.
Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome to the first episode of Vlogmas. Today we've got a few things to be done. We're gonna make what are we making?
Having nibbles.
Nibbles, cheese board.
Oh, we're making cocktails.
We're making
We're
cocktails.
not making hot chocolate or
Hot chocolate.
well, Bailey cocktails. And then we're going to Aldi. Maybe ask us to get decorate our flat.
Yeah, to decorate it because it's not
Guys,
very
if I don't
Christmas.
We'll catch you in the next clip.
Welcome to the first ever Vlogmas video. If you want to see my outfit, I suppose I'll show you. Right guys, so we're now about to go to the shops and get our ingredients for tonight. Guys, I'm literally dressed like the British flag. You look like a wedgie.
A what?
A potato wedgie.
Who calls it a wedge?
What would you call it?
A wedge.
A wedge?
Wedges.
Yeah. What are you saying? I'm gonna go have my wedges for dinner.
Yeah.
Wedge.
Wedges. Take wedges.
Yeah.
It's not wedgies. The wedges what you get when you're trying to what you're going for.
Well, that's what I said, wedges. Right, so guys, it's a very nice day. This is what we use instead of keys. Let me tell you a story about yesterday. So me and Kaylee went to like the local tree shop to see if we could buy a tree because we wanted to support the local industry. We were like, oh yeah, so how much like is a tree?
Oh yes, how much like is a tree?
And they were like, it's £10 per foot.
Let's say extortionate.
£70 for a tree! They were trying to rip us off. Them know it's Christmas time. Location 1, Aldi. We're getting in here. Decorations, alcohol, dinner. That's about it. I don't even have to find my bank account. Oh, they're locked together. You know you're not allowed to wear pajamas in here. Guys, we've just found an absolute buy.
Look, there's snowflakes.
No, but look at this, Christmas tree shaped tortillas.
Tortilla.
Tortilla.
And so what are you getting?
Turkey and stuffing bread. Stop number 2. There is just one thing I need. I don't care about the present underneath the Christmas tree. And then we came too late for trees, so we're gonna have to get one of these. What did I say? I said on Halloween. I said on Halloween we need to get the pumpkins before, and we ended up being too late for the pumpkins. And now this has happened with the trees. What did I say?
It's so hard being with such a clever flat.
What happened to learning from our mistakes? Ah, here we are, booze aisle, usual. That's not a trolley, John. Right, so everyone, we've got the essentials. I'm actually a vegetarian, so
What are they?
yeah, there's like
Prawns?
Yeah.
A good veggie you are.
Can you cut? Can you cut?
She's
so-
pesky.
And then we've pesky, yeah.
Pesky vegan kind of.
Pesky vegan. And we've got these hats. And then this is our
You look like a...
yeah,
You look really
a bit
funny.
of light shopping.
Everyone-
These bags of sugar.
Isn't that just so crazy?
How is that useful? Like the sugar would spill everywhere.
Oh right.
So dumb.
Hey, what is that? Jan sugar.
Oh, that's probably what you had to jam. Did I
Light.
mention that we didn't get a Christmas tree?
Yeah, we didn't get a Christmas tree by the way.
Yeah, which is the main reason we actually came out.
Cut the cans, cut the cans.
So guys, we're at the stage of decorating the Christmas tree. Kaylee's down there working hard as usual.
Sellotaping it to the ground.
Because some people, all my flatmates, thought that we'd be able to get a Christmas tree on December 3rd.
Hey, there's something that wasn't here.
Katie couldn't make it to the shopping bit because she was at the gym. What was it you did? I couldn't even do that.
Have you wiped that nice white Christmas tree?
I did cleaning guys, but I clean them most of the days, so kind of sick and tired of doing
necklace! My neighbour my mummy's shape.
I mean, there's just necklace, but it's quite small, it's easy to lose. They've given us Christmas presents by the tile now. Welcome to my how to make Christmas earring tutorial. Okay, do you like my earrings?
What were you from?
Vivian Westwood.
Where are you?
Oh no! Someone made a faulty one. It's always a bit fashionable to have like 2 different sizes and like 2 different. Guys!
Right.
One.
Guys, what the actual hell? An elf has just delivered a tree. Right, get this bitch done. Where did you get it from? Where did you get it? Look at it. Oh wait, look at this tree on it.
That's a Christmas bird.
That's a Christmas miracle.
That's so cute.
1.
That is so nice!
Guys, that is so cute.
Oh, would you believe it?
So we're just dipping the chocolate.
Oh yeah.
This is for our cocktail. And then you pass it back.
So the other elf puts in cocaine.
It's a small one.
Oh no way! Look at that! So gorgeous. That is pretty pretty. And then we just put straight vodka in it.
Yeah. Where is our vodka?
Want you here tonight?